Guys, today we're going to be doing some pulled pork on my new Louisiana Grills Black Label pellet grill coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to CJ's Q. And if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's Q crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Guys, we're going to do a pork shoulder high and fast just to make some beautiful pulled pork. All right. So we're going to do it on my new Louisiana Grills Black Label pellet grill. One thing you're going to notice is we're going to set it up on the far side away from the main fire pot and just let it go from there. We're going to use just their hardwood blend of pellets in there and you know, just give it some love. We're gonna go probably about 3 hours, but you know, we cooked the temperature in here. I'm gonna use the temperature probe, you know, that comes with this. Get it in there, keep an eye on it. When it gets to about 170 or so, we're gonna pull it out, wrap it, you know, get it back in there until it gets to about 205, 207, you know, that area. All right, until it's probe tender. And speaking of probe tender, it's a brand new boy band. Check it out. We're going on tour pretty soon, so make sure you check your local ticket master. All right, anyway, that's it. Not gonna overtalk it. We're just gonna get over there, start getting some smoke on this pork butt. All right, come on back. Okay guys, we got our water pan in there. I'm gonna start this bad boy up. We're gonna cook this about 275. About 275. We got plenty of pellets in there. We're gonna use one of our temp probes. It slides through there. Go. Get it plugged in. See you right there, probe one. We'll get the probe into the pork shoulder before we obviously put it on. All right, we're just gonna let it come up to temp. All right, guys, we're almost up to temp in here. We're gonna get this bad boy on. All right, so we got the bone right on this side. Let's get that right in the middle. Okay. Now it's just gonna take a smoke bath. Come back in a couple hours and check on it, spritz it if needed. But just a waiting game now. Okay, guys, we're about an hour in. Let's take a look. We're gonna give it a little spritz. Smoke is attracted to moisture. So we want a good smoke flavor on this. So we're gonna give it a good spritzing. Start developing that bark a bit. All right, so we're holding steady. We decided to pump it up to 300 at 97 internal. All right, we got some nice color. We're about 3 hours in. Temping out about 160. We're gonna let it go another half hour or so, and then we'll wrap it up. Do a little bit of spritz. All right, guys, we got this up to about 170 or so. Now it's time to wrap. I brought it inside to do this because everybody's swimming outside. so I figured it'd be a little quieter in the house. Such is the way it goes when you have a pool. All right, so we're adding a little apple juice to it. We're gonna add some more of the competition pig powder. Okay, just a little extra flavor in your ear. Bring in the brand new flavor in your ear. All right, and then we got some turbinado sugar. You use brown sugar if you want. I just happen to like this this flavor profile. I'm not gonna put any butter in here. It's, you know, a pretty fatty piece of meat. You know, there's that huge fight over fat side up, fat side down. But for me, there wasn't much of a fat cap, as you saw when I was seasoning it. So I just left a little bit of fat cap on top, get a little crispy bits, a little chicharron in there. Like this little bite right there. I think I might have to hold on to that one. All right. Oh man, that's so good. All right. So we got our pig powder, got our sugar. I'm gonna wrap it in foil, get it back out on the pit, and get that probe back in there. And we'll take it to about 205, 210. Let it rest. It should be ready to pull and enjoy. Okay, the temp probe is showing a little over 200. So we're gonna take that out. Just do a quick check with our thermopin. Alright, yeah, it's sliding in pretty good. There you go. Just doing a little, seeing if it's like that new boy band, Probe Tender. Comment down below if you've seen Probe Tender on the music scene. Alright, let's get this inside. We're going to throw a towel over it and let it rest for about an hour or so. Okay, we got the thumbnail shot. Let's get a little bite of this. Get a little part right there. Little itty bitty smoke ring in there. But again, it was the pellet grill, not, you know, the smoker. But not bad. Oh yeah, that's good stuff right there. Take one more bite. A little sauce on there. That is some awesome pulled pork right there. Perfectly good. Look at the bark on it. Turned out amazing. Tender, flavorful. Get some of that Uncle Steve Shake competition pig powder. It's approved by Daddy Dutch Barbecue. I'll put links to all this stuff down below, to Daddy Dutch Barbecue YouTube channel, Uncle Steve Shake website. Oh, it's good stuff. All right, guys, let's go outside, have a quick chat, and we'll end this thing. Oh wow, guys, that was amazing. Great flavor, great bark on there. Not as much smoke ring as you normally see. But sometimes you just don't get that with the pellet grill smoker. All right, but the flavor was there. It was really good. Really enjoyed it, guys. Give it a try. You know, all it takes is some time, and you know, you get what you get, man. You know, the time is well spent for sure. All right, guys. If you want to get yourself one of these new black label grills, I have a link below. I'm an affiliate for Louisiana Grills, so it doesn't cost you anything more, but it helps out the channel. So that's it, boys and girls. Make sure you hit that thumbs up on the way out. If you're not subscribed, get there. Hit that notification bell too. I hope y'all have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for queuing with CJ. Take care.